Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the Chrysler Group Certified 2014 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number B9023P. 35,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, billet silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group Certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, as well as 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Cherokee seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjust for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, easy to operate touchscreen for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, and compass display. Hard case below for the things you use most often. Select terrain 4-wheel drive, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional under-seat storage. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9023P to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.